Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing my very first tutorial using the new Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. This palette is gorgeous. I absolutely love the shades, so if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on the palette, then just keep watching. So this is what the Sweet Talk palette looks like. It's going to be hard to show on camera. The background of the shadows is holographic. Super pretty. I'm really excited to try out the glitter formula in this palette, as well as the one Super Shock shadow, which is side to side. The reason why I picked this up was because this whole collection just spoke to me. I will be doing a video on all the other products like lip swatches and all that, but I wanted to start with an eyeshadow palette look. I'm also going to be trying out the new Festival brushes by BH. I'm going to use as many of them as I can. Unfortunately, there isn't a mirror, which is a kind of bummer for me, but it's not a deal breaker. I'm going to take the shade Work It, which is the shade right there, and I don't know. I'm going to, I guess, take this on a fluffy blending brush. This is the number 10 brush, and I know my hair is so frizzy. There's like nothing I can do about it though. So yeah, I'm just gonna take Work It fluffy brush, pigmented as always, and I don't like how all of the brushes in this set are, they're like flimsy. Like, I'm sure this blends beautifully, but it's not something I'm used to. Sometimes I hate having hair. And I'm just going to build that up into the crease and blend it out, dragging it down a little bit, not too much though. I went in with the number 9 brush and I really don't like it. It actually took off the powder I had over on the inner corner, which is kind of pissing me off. So I'm taking a little bit of the lighter shade in this palette just to kind of, I don't know, make it look a little better, I guess. So far, don't like that brush. I'm going to go in with the shade ICYMI. Very pigmented. And I'm just going to put that in the outer corner and blend inward. On my lower lash line, I'm going to take Meadow, my favorite brush to blend the corners of every single look. I'm going to take the shade West Side and I'm going to blend that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Side to Side and I'm going to put that on my lid before the glitter. I'm going to take Prism Green. So this is what the glitter looks like. I kind of messed up using the ABH glitter glue. Apparently that is super runny and it pretty much messed up my look, but I mean, it's still wearable. I'm going to go do mascara and I'll be back. So this is the finished look using the new Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. Honestly, I really do like this palette. The shades are really nice. The glitters, I think you're gonna always have fallout with glitters, so I was just doing your face makeup after. But overall, I really do enjoy this palette and I definitely think it's worth the $18. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have done a ton of other Colourpop videos, so there will be a playlist down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.